So in all these boxes is a new office chair. Let's get it set up. Now the first box that I opened actually had the manual, some screws and things you'll need to put it together, and a nice set of gloves. This next box has the center portion where it holds the weight of the person in the middle of the chair, and then you have all the wheels for the chair. Next I have the left and right arms. Nice metal design here. This is going to be a high quality chair. Very nice. Nice padding. Let's get some more open. Now here's the main seat bottom portion. And folks, this thing is well built. This is all steel here, aluminum. It is well built. Let me flip it over. It's very heavy too. This is great quality. So now we got all the parts. I'm gonna get this assembled and we are gonna get it all set up. Now here's the base of the chair and I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels on. Now before I put the wheels on, this is what they look like. Nice design. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the bottom, put them all on the bottom of the chair now. And voila, they are on. Let's keep going. Now here's the back portion of the chair, and this is made so well, folks. This portion right here actually moves up and down to adjust. You've got a little bit of branding right there, OdinLake. And let's go ahead and put the rest of the parts out here. Now here is the top headrest portion, which is also adjustable. So I've got the base here. I'm gonna go and get the main portion in. This part is gonna sit down like this. Just like that. And then we'll put the base on next. And then the seat's on the gasket. And now we'll start working on the arms and the back portion. Now grab this tool and these 4 bolts here that come in the packaging, and we'll get the arms situated. All right, now that the arms are tightened down, we're gonna get the back portion put on. All right, we are making progress. The top is on, and now we're gonna do the headrest portion, and that's pretty much it, folks. This is a very sturdy chair, and it is a chair that is high quality already, I can tell. So let's get this top portion put on here, and then we'll close this out. All right, folks, we are all set. These are the easiest instructions ever, and this chair is now assembled. So you've got the headrest portion up here, which can be adjusted. Now make sure you follow the instructions. You have to bring the headrest in on this side and slide it in, and then screw. So on these sides here, this is how you adjust. That's how you adjust the tilt back and forth. This is your height, and this is the slide back and forth, and this is the adjustment of the tightness of the chair. So pretty much lumbar support, everything is here. I'm a tall guy, and this is about as good as it gets for me. Beautiful, beautiful chair. And there's gonna be a link in the description for you to purchase yours. Oof, this is nice. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is a well-made chair by OdinLake. Just very subtle branding there. And it's well put together. Now my current chair looks something like this, but it's not made as well as this. And this is a huge upgrade. The lumbar support is what I really needed from my previous back injury, and this is going to work perfectly fine. The chair is extremely comfortable. So if you haven't used a chair like this before, I definitely recommend that you check out this kind of chair. It's very ergonomic, and it'll definitely help with long sitting periods if you have to be at your office for quite some time. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.